Hello and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about administrative privilege in the terminal. So I briefly mentioned in the previous video about the file permissions. We really didn't jump into it. So today in this video I've created a file sd.txt in a location that I don't have access to. So now let me open the terminal in this location. And now let me type ls to view everything whatever inside this folder. So you can see this here, this is the text file which is inside this folder. Now let me try to open this folder, and I'm going to use a command called nano. So we'll be using a nano a lot in the future, but right now I'm going to be using nano in order to edit this file. Now I'm going to type the file name. So now you can see this here, this is the text which is inside this text file, and you can see this message down here, and it says I'm not able to write. So let me type few things here, and now let me try to save with Ctrl+O. It says error writing, permission denied. So now let me just type Ctrl+X. So how do we edit this file? I just created. So for this we need to use the administrative privilege in order to edit this file. So there are basically two ways to do this. The first is you need to type sudo. So sudo basically means super user do. So type sudo for the administrative privilege, and after that type nano and type the file you want to open. And you need to type the password. So here we go. Now whatever I type here, so I will be able to save it. So to save it you just need to type Ctrl+O, and after that type enter. So you can just exit it using the Ctrl+X. So now let me check this if these changes are saved or not. So here we go, you can see this here, the text that I edited, and it has been saved. So this is the first way to get the administrative privilege to edit the file. So there is also a second way to get the administrative privilege. So for that you can just switch user to root using this command, type sudo su. So after this, now you are logged in with the root. Your previous username is changed to root. So now whatever command you are going to type, you don't need to add the sudo. So we are already logged in as a root, so you can just type nano. You can omit that sudo command and type the file you want to edit. And you can just change this document and type Ctrl+O to save, and after that press enter and Ctrl+X to exit. So now you can easily edit this file without using the sudo command. So you want to get back to the username which you were using, you want to leave this root privilege, then you can just type su and type Himal. So you will be get back to your original account which you are logged in into your system. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be uploading the continued video on this series. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, signing out.